Alright guys, so this is how to take out a key from the key fob out of your push start car's key fob hub. I guess that's what you would call it. Now what happened was she thought that putting the key in like this would help the car read the key since the key fob's battery was low. Now what I have right here is a flathead screwdriver, typical. Most everybody has one of these. Now it's kind of hard to operate, to the keys, the flathead, and the camera, and I'm not on a tripod, so I'm using my finger right here and pull the key with my left index finger, and then with the screwdriver, with the flathead, I'm going to push in and kind of push to the side a little bit because the key is actually gripping on something in there. So the point is you have to use something that's smooth in order to make the key pop out like that, which has all the ridges that can get caught. So just next time, don't put your key in that part. Cars these days don't require keys like that, unless it's opening the door. Most of the time, you don't even have to take the key out your pocket. Just push start, push the door, and push the button on the door, and get in the car and go. But you can expect some unnecessary stuff to happen. Just remember, only the key fob go right here, not the key. This right here, the key fob goes in that part. All right.